The call to action widget is a great way to increase conversions on your website. To activate it, go to Ateams add-ons, use the search function, type call to action, activate the widget, and now simply go to the page where you want to add it. Once you're here, click the search bar again, search for call to action, see the widget here, and drag it onto your page. You can see the widget already has an image, a title, some content, and 2 buttons. First of all, you can choose between the default skin or the banner skin. We're going to go through both. You can change the position of the image. It can be in line or before the content. We're going to stick with inline for now. You can also change the alignment. Let's move over to the content now. You can add an icon if you want, or an image. Here's the icon here. Of course, you can select the icon you want. You can also upload a new icon if you want. You can add some text before the title. Here it is. You can change the HTML tag of the title. Align the content as you want. You can also align it vertically. Let's move over to the buttons. So you can select if you want 1 button or 2 buttons. Let's stick with 2 buttons for now. You can change the text, add a link, add an icon, add some spacing for the icon so that it looks better, change the position of course, and you can do the same thing for the second button. It can have its own icon. Let's select an icon for the second button. Let's say this. We're also going to add some space for it, like this. We can change the position, so one is left aligned and the second one is aligned to the right. And that's it about the options. Let's have another look actually at the banner layout. So here it is, but obviously we're going to have to adjust the styling. Let's go to content, change the title color, the before title color. Let's make the content a bit bigger so that it's clearly visible. Something like this, maybe. Okay. And now let's move over to the buttons. Each button has its own set of styling options, so you can basically change everything about them. Let's say border radius, the color. Let's disable the border for now. The hover color, of course. The same for the second button. You can change the typography just for it. Let's say I want this to be lowercase. White background. Dark text like this. Maybe also no border. Of course, you can change the padding for both buttons. Make them bigger, maybe. Let's do it for the first button as well. Okay. There are also some options for the wrapper, so you can basically change the height. Let's go back to the content for a bit. I just want to align this to the center like this. Okay, back to the styling now. You can change paddings, margins if you need to. Let's add some border radius. Okay, and a bit of box shadow. Like this. Maybe decrease the opacity a bit. Okay. And you can also change the overlay color in this scenario where we're using the banner skin. You can change like this. Just pick any color you want. Of course, we can change the icon color and the size. So you have all the elements you need to build a nice call to action. That's it. Thank you for watching.